Hey guys, so basically, we're rating every single emergency alert system in different countries. So, expected emergency alert systems can be quite expecting and have their own emergency alert alarm. But United States alarm that we're in kind of does sound like a computer that basically glitch out when, yeah. Sorry there's ads in this place. I don't know why ads come. And it's actually, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that is quite spooky. When I first heard that, I get quite scared of it. But unlike United States, UK ESA alarm kinda does sound way creepier than the United States one. It does sound like an Amber Alert that came straight up to your phone. That was actually quite creepy. But even scarier, Canada sounds like ambulance, but it's actually broken. If you know what I mean. Moving on, India ESA alarm does sound like that you completed a video game level. That is pretty insane, not gonna lie. Next up, Germany ESA alarm does sound like someone made a beat on the soundtrack. If I could find it. That is really insane. Compared to that, I think Italy ESA alarm does sound like a good vibe that someone made also. Now, that was not really a crazy part, but if you go to Switzerland, you're probably gonna hear the most craziest sounds ever. It's like literally fast. You might hear this. That's actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Switzerland was pretty insane. But even insaner, Chicago's emergency sounds like a siren head that was back in 2020. That's outrightly insane. But Iceland's alarm doesn't really sound like an alarm. It kind of sounds like a Nintendo game. That's all the alarms that actually have been said. So, don't expect these emergency alert sounds if you are in these countries.